South Africa. Oh, was it Mexico? I thought it was... Okay. I did watch the game. I did.
Yes, I think the marchers they are identifying the problems of unemployment, but the cause is not the right. What is causing unemployment is not what they are saying. But if we get isolated by Africa, we're doomed. Yes. I mean, if you go to any region and ask a country, who's your biggest trading partner? They will not point at a country across oceans. They'll point at countries in their region. Now, if we isolate ourselves from our region, what will happen? So we can't afford to isolate ourselves from the country.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak. So today on the Political Corner, we are unpacking Nkosazana Zuma. As you've listened to that video where she's saying that actually our problems are not illegal immigrants, our problems are not fellow Africans, but the problem is our economy that is not growing. Another problem that she didn't highlight much is that the companies, or rather South African companies, are so greedy. They want to maximize the profit. They don't care about South Africans. Hence, they go for cheap labor on illegal immigrants. Hence, they go for illegal immigrants because illegal immigrants doesn't know their rights, or rather they don't know their rights, meaning even if you don't treat them well, they're not going to report you to CCMA and all that. So South African companies are greedy. They don't want to pay competitive salaries to South Africans. Hence, they keep on going for illegal immigrants. So the problem are not, or rather the problem is not illegal immigrants. We must deal with the companies that are employing illegal immigrants, because even like your petrol stations, whenever you go, you can always find someone who's not a South African. So the problem is not those people, because even if we were to chase them, all of them today, we still have a problem of unemployment. I think even some butcheries, like butcheries in Johannesburg and all, even if you were to chase those workers today, they will find a way to employ them, or maybe they will just find a room in their houses to cut meat there, and then they just take the meat and take it to their butcheries to sell it to you, just to avoid employing South Africans. So they will always find a way, you know. So the problem is our companies, our South African companies that wants to maximize profit, that are greedy. They don't want to pay competitive salaries. And then the problem is the government, because we do have immigration laws in South Africa, but the country, or rather the government, is not dealing decisively with enforcing those laws, you know. So really, the problem is not our fellow Africans. We have countries like Rwanda, like Nkosazana was saying, that Rwanda is thriving, but they have a free movement. As long as you are able to control and know who you have in your country, it becomes easy for you to deal with this crisis. So I don't know, guys. You can just leave a comment on the comment section below and let us know what you think. Is the problem illegal immigrants, or the problem are our South African companies and the government that is failing to, to enforce our laws that we have against illegal immigration in South Africa? Thank you.